Paklongkam LAMPS, located between Mahamaya and Korkanti constituency election for induction of Board of Director BOD members would be conducting today. EM Lunsing Teron ensure a reward of Rs 50,000 if BJP secure a clean sweep in this election. The election would be done for 15 seats in total. An awareness cum leadership workshop was organized for all the candidates representing BJP that would be contesting for the Board of Director BOD seat for Paklongkam Large Area Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society. Raju Tiso, Chairman Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Lunsing Teron, EM, Dhonsing Teron, President BJP East Karbi Anglong, Rajesh Teron, Chairman Mahamaya VDC and workers of Mandal Committee attended the event. BJP aims to win all the contesting seats just like the way they had achieved at the recently concluded Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council general election under the able leadership of Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CEM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and Dhonsing Teron, President, BJP East Karbi Anglong.
Maya lapen Korkanti homosti ini pen ladak sialem tu belogar lem la siladak penaplo polling det si pini candidate lapen te la shareholder bang haro thang musara suri do la chalang litum ben pini jingki je than lo non litum bang krep phota bang krep pho a candidate phanda ka pahai ji phasil tum upwa mondol committee a president lapen litum la chairman sa Paklongkam Autonomous Council chairman Raju Tiso sara ke hai lapen te nili salayong especially ke Mahamaya homosti sidaga purilo sidaga lang litum ben je than jimum.
And in this election, if all the 15 candidates from BJP assures their victory, then a reward of Rs 50,000 would be rewarded, says Lunsing Teron, EM, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, in presence of all candidates and shareholders of Paklongkam LAMPS. Semsing Ingti's report from Dokmoka, Karbi Anglong Live.